Florence Awino is a primary school head teacher in Otuke district, Lango sub-region in northern Uganda. Besides her normal duties of administering the school and teaching, Florence and her 4-year-old son are now championing a campaign in northern and eastern Uganda on malaria prevention.
Dear parents, you mind about us. We need school fees. We need medical care. Together we control malaria.
We used to experience poor attendance in schools, up to around 40% only.
Malaria is one of the top killer diseases in the country. For over 10 years now, the Uganda government and the development partners, including USAID from the United States of America and DFID of the United Kingdom, have been funding the indoor residual spraying of mosquitoes and distributing mosquito nets in 14 districts of Uganda to help prevent malaria. The World Health Organization Malaria Report of 2013 estimates that 17,000 Ugandans die of malaria-related causes every year. But due to indoor residual spraying, especially in the endemic districts, the deaths from malaria have drastically reduced.
That the prevalence of malaria had dropped from 49% to 19% in 2014.
Approximately 1 million children and more than 100,000 pregnant women have been protected from malaria.
DFID spent £47 million, approximately 228 billion Uganda shillings, while USAID put in $38 million, which is about 138 billion Uganda shillings. But the second phase of the indoor residual spraying of mosquitoes has been halted until December, when it is expected to resume.
And so it's clear that this programme has had a significant impact in reducing the burden of malaria, and we should all be proud of that.
Addressing journalists soon after the meeting in Kampala, the head of the Malaria Control in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Jimmy Opigo, who represented the Minister, Dr. Jena Cheng, revealed that Uganda has a shortage of 4 million mosquito nets.
We experience a net gap close to 4 million nets.
But he added that the ministry was working to close the gap.
With partners and donors, we have managed to mobilize resources for these nets. They are procured, they are manufactured, they are being shipped. Final announcement of dates is really not mine.
Government and its development partners have distributed millions of mosquito nets in a campaign to boost malaria prevention. The U.S. government urges the government of Uganda to increase funding to fight malaria to ensure sustainability.
The government of Uganda must increase its funding for malaria and make a positive shift towards independence from donor support.
Jingo Francis, NTV.